What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to fix the connection error on your Steam client. If you're getting the no connection or no network connection error when trying to launch Steam or a game, I will walk you through the steps to resolve it quickly. First, make sure Steam is running with administrator privileges. To do this, locate your Steam shortcut on your desktop, right-click it, and select Open File Location. This will take you to Steam's installation directory. Find the steam.exe file. Right-click it and choose Properties. In the Properties window, go to the Compatibility tab and then click Change Settings for all users. Check the box that says Run this program as an administrator and then hit Apply and OK. This ensures Steam gets full access to your system resources, including networking. Next, restart Steam completely. Click the system tray at the bottom right of your taskbar, find the Steam icon, right-click on it and select Exit. And then reopen Steam and see if the issue is resolved. If the problem persists, the next step is to clear Steam's cache and change the download region. Open Steam again, click on Steam in the top left corner and select Settings. Navigate to the Downloads tab. Here, you will find the download region option. Click on it and select a different server closest to your location. Sometimes, the default region may be experiencing connectivity issues, so switching it can help. After changing the region, click on Clear Download Cache and then confirm the action. Steam will restart and you will need to log back in. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.